Welcome Nomadic Father and Sons. In this video we will know about Bangkok city life and their culture value. Bangkok, the vibrant capital city of Thailand, is a fascinating blend of modern energy and deep-rooted tradition, where gleaming skyscrapers rise beside ancient temples, street markets hum with life, and the aroma of spicy Thai food fills the air at every corner. It's a city that never sleeps yet remains deeply connected to its cultural and spiritual heritage. The lifestyle in Bangkok is one of contrast and harmony, fast-paced, cosmopolitan, and technology-driven on one hand, yet calm, spiritual, and family-oriented on the other. The people, known for their hospitality and politeness, follow the famous My Pen Rai attitude, meaning never mind or don't worry, which reflects a general sense of contentment and peace despite the city's chaos. Life in Bangkok revolves around community, family, work, and tradition. The younger generation embraces modernity, working in multinational offices, dressing fashionably, and frequenting cafes, rooftop bars, and shopping malls like Siam Paragon, Central World, and Icon Siam, while the older generation remains anchored in Buddhism, simplicity, and moral values. Bangkok streets tell stories of both tradition and transformation. Monks in saffron robes collecting alms in the early morning coexist with businessmen rushing to offices, and colorful tuk-tuks share roads with sleek electric vehicles. Despite being a megacity with over 10 million people, Bangkok manages to retain a sense of intimacy through its local markets, neighborhood temples, and food stalls that act as community hubs where people gather daily to eat, talk, and connect. The lifestyle in Bangkok can be both luxurious and affordable depending on personal choices. Some residents live in high-end condominiums overlooking the Chao Phraya River, while others find comfort in smaller apartments or family homes in quieter districts. When it comes to living expenses, Bangkok remains relatively affordable compared to many other major Asian cities like Singapore, Hong Kong, or Tokyo, although it offers similar amenities and conveniences. For a middle-class family of four, a comfortable yet modest lifestyle can be maintained with a monthly budget ranging between 40,000 to 70,000 Thai baht, THB, depending on location and lifestyle choices. Rent is the largest expense. An apartment with 2 bedrooms in a good area such as Sukhumvit, on Nut, or Lat Phraya may cost between 15,000 and 30,000 THB per month, while those in the suburbs may find decent housing for as low as 10,000 THB. Utilities including electricity, water, and internet typically range from 2,000 to 4,000 THB monthly, depending on air conditioning use, which can be significant during the hot season. Food expenses can be quite flexible. Families who eat primarily local Thai meals can keep costs low, as delicious street food dishes such as pad Thai, som tam. Thanks for watching this video.